Samsung has officially announced the introduction of the Galaxy S24 series at their Unpacked 2024 event scheduled for January 17th. This exciting news came alongside a teaser video titled Galaxy AI is Coming, offering a glimpse into the future of Samsung's technology. The video reflects on the evolution of technology from the early days of mobile phones to the advanced features of modern TVs and hints at the innovative AI features expected in the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is already accepting early reservations for the new Galaxy S24 series. Customers who reserve a device in advance will receive a $50 credit, which can be used on Samsung's store. This reservation process is free and only requires providing a name and email. Similar offers were made for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5, and it's likely that similar benefits will be available for the S24 series. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be available in black, purple, white, and yellow, while the S24 Ultra will come in 4 titanium color options: black, gray, violet, and yellow. The event will be held in San Jose, California at the SAP Center and will also be streamed online. Focusing on the AI capabilities, Samsung is set to introduce advanced features in both the Exynos 2400 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipsets. These features include real-time language translation during calls, image enhancement, creation of wallpapers, and summarization of notes in Samsung Notes. The camera features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are particularly anticipated, as it's set to be a highlight of Samsung's 2024 camera technology. Leaked marketing materials from Brazil have showcased the Galaxy S24 Ultra, highlighting its quad-rear camera unit and color-matched S Pen. The standard Galaxy S24 will feature a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic 8MO LED display, a triple camera setup, and will be available in various configurations, expected to be priced between $850 and $900. The Galaxy S24 Plus will boast a larger 6.7-inch display of Quad HD Plus resolution. The release is anticipated in February 2024, making it an eagerly awaited event for Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts alike.